Hello. I thought I would throw up a more detailed video on this snowblower build I did, since I didn't put any detail on it the last time. This tractor did not come with a snowblower. The snowblower was purchased from a Facebook Marketplace ad. They can be found in my area for a fairly decent price. The problem I have with them, and other people have, is the operation of them is difficult. They have a big handle that comes up one side, and then they have a handle that comes up the other side. This side handle does the lifting, and the other side handle does the chute rotation, and then it has a lever on it for doing the chute up and down there. This is all custom fabricated on this tractor. To get rid of the lift handle, I had to refabricate this bracket that the handle mounted into. And then I took that old handle and I fabricated this push bar out of it. And then I purchased from Amazon this electric over hydraulic ram. So that when I move the switch, it pushes the ram. Now, I had to fabricate that handle so that pipe would go up over that tire, because that tire, when you turn, doesn't give a whole lot of space between the wheel and the frame when it's turned really sharp. So that was the idea I came up with. That function is controlled by this joystick going, well, it would be forward and back, up and down. And then I had to put relays in and fuses and wire it into a power source, a power supply that I added. And the same thing with the chute rotation. I took that handle off. That handle used to mount here and run up this side of the tractor. But I took a power window motor that I bought on the eBay site, and I fabricated this bracket to mount it onto this original U-joint for the shaft. And that operates the same way, or a similar way. That operates off from these relays over here. When this joystick is moved left or right, when this joystick is moved left or right, then the chute rotates left or right. Now the deflector, I had to fabricate this bracket to mount this linear actuator on it that I also got off of Amazon. And I wired that in to this double throw switch, sorry, to go up and down. So there's a little more detail on it. The tractor again is a Craftsman GT 5000. It's got a 25 horsepower engine in it, so it's hydrostat drive. But the system won't work on the new ones, because the new ones have the foot pedals down there for the hydrostat. So this exact system won't work, although something I'm sure could be fabricated to make work. The other tractor I have videos of is a very similar tractor, pretty much the same thing. It's just made by Husqvarna, or it's got Husqvarna orange color on it. It's made by the same base company, American Yard Products. And that one I used a winch to run the snowblower up and down, but that system wouldn't work on this tractor because I'm trying to keep it as stock as I can, so it can be swapped back over for mowing in the summer. So, and because of that, that other one's all hardwired in. This one I put a plug in so I can plug this cylinder in and take the cylinder off, and I have to. And then I also wired in the front comes through this vehicle trailer connection, and then I put a plug inside the hood there for it, so I can just unplug that, and the wiring all stays right there. So there she is. It's getting that time of year again. Thanks for watching.